Hi everyone, I am getting ready to make a mole, a black mole sauce. I finally gathered all the ingredients I was able to get, and I thought, well, there's so many to even describe at this point. And what I'm going to do is basically going to be grilling some of them, and then I'm going to be frying them and soaking them, but I'm going to use a stock instead of water. I may just use the water and keep the stock for, and I'm going to make an orange rice to go with that, because I made a beautiful lamb soup or stew, and this is so delicious. And there's pieces of lamb, and I'm going to be incorporating somehow making the mole sauce with this. And it's so good, I don't even know if I want to even mess around with it. But I'm still going to make the mole sauce. It starts off with the paste. And then after you do the paste, it's such a... It's a massive technique. It's been years since I actually made this mole sauce. And it's not easy to make. And it takes a lot of effort. So, but once you make it, it is so well worth it. It is the most delicious sauce you can ever imagine. And a lot of people can't use peanut butter, but I have a mixture of almond and peanut butter. But sometimes you could use pecans. And of course, those are sesame seeds, and these are all kinds of herbs and spices. I don't have avocado leaves, so I'm going to be using the anise and the bay leaves. And I have a variety of peppers. I have some raisins, figs. These are figs, and I have more figs, and garlic, chocolate, dark chocolate from Mexico, tomatillo, tomatoes, the little galletitas, thyme, and some tomatillo, cinnamon, all kinds of spices, some allspice, even some cloves and peppercorns, tepin, and some bread that I'm going to be frying, and then soaking the peppers, and then just basically blending it all together and making a paste. And that's how you start. And oh, and a plantain for some sweetness, and it adds some nice textures to it. So this should all be fried except for the peanut butter, of course, and or the nut butter. And then I'm going to be frying this all and grilling it, and then making a sauce. So I'm not going to take up too much time in showing you how to grill it. There's a lot of videos out there that you could look at if you're really wanting to make it. I've taken a lot of time and watching so many videos and getting that perfect mole sauce. But like I said, I've made it before, and it's been years, so I'm looking forward to see how this batch is going to turn out. Okay, and I'll talk to you soon and show you the results. Thanks.